Okay, so today we're gonna open it up, put it together. I've got Anthony and Braden, my two assistants. Say hello, guys. So we have the metal part. This is a tape, so that it mimics the 7-foot kitchen. And then we have these two, 6x6 net. So this is the banner part that we can see. Yep, so that'll go around the poles. Get that. And then let's lay out the similar parts so we know what they look like. And these are the different tapes. So this is the guidelines. There's a guideline tape. This is the kitchen zone tape. This is the white net tape. Right there. That's what those are. This is the net, and all the little things that hold the net onto the bars. Now we want to set up the parts, so we want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to build a square. Let's spread it out here. And we'll put it right around this area. How they have these bubble points? So that means we have to push the bubble in and then stick the side. Yeah, that one will go up. That's cool. Very easy. Got the base, good job. All right, now let's see the next one. All right, so we need numbers 11, 12, and 13. Oh, I forgot 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so let's see. 11 is gonna, oh, there's 2 11s, so that's why there's 2 11s. So they go one side, and then 13, 12. Here? Or see, which one is that one? 11 will go straight this way. Yep, and 11 goes on the other side. And then 13 on this side. And 12 on that side. Yeah. Yep, so let's stick those together. Hey, oh, yeah, got it? All right. 11, 12, and 13. Okay, now 14, 15, 16. What's going to happen is 14 is going to make like a T shape. So 14, 15, and 16, because those are the length. So we'll make one straight bar with 14, 15, and 16. We also need nuts and bolts. One side that has a little bit of a lip on the inner part of the ring, so you have to slip it on first and then you can put it together. Okay, so now, then we can stick part number 14. Yeah, then we can put 2 14. 2 14 goes into this part. Yeah, so that one will go. Yeah, okay, then we can tighten it as we want to because it adjusts the angle of the net. This one, yeah, see, it's going to go like this and fit in these holes. Okay, guys, how's it going?
I think we finished it.
Got it? All right.
So now we're gonna flip it upright. So this way, so pick up, always hold that here. So you bring it forward. Oh, this is like the
Yeah.
bottom goes.
Pick up the bottom piece and then bring it forward this way so we can flip it up. Okay, there we go. Lower, okay, now. There we go. See, this is straight up.
Yeah.
So we'll lock this in.
Tighten that.
Yeah. Now we just gotta do the net part. That looks pretty good. Nope. Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, that's what that middle one is. So there's a red one. See where that one went?
Oh, here.
Got it? Okay, yeah. But there was a red booty thing.
Oh yeah.
What was that?
Oh, here.
Ah, there you go. That holds that to this. So put that around and keep it to the back. Slide it over. There you go. Oh, look, guys. Okay.
Oh wow. Oh my God.
Pretty strong, right?
Yeah.
So that's the 7-foot tape that if we want to, we put it here on the bottom. So like, let's say we go like this, we put it, let's pick it up and we'll move it to the other side of this net. Oh, grab that side. Yep, let's put it over that net here. Over the net. Yeah. Then we'll kind of also know where the 36 is.
Yeah.
This tape. Okay, yeah, so the 36-inch tape just goes right about there. See where this white tape is? So we just kind of match it. Because this is 36. So we'll put that across. And then this red guideline tape, this is like so, you know, where our hitting zone is, right?
Oh.
So we want to keep it low, then we know kind of like, oh, okay, we should keep it there. So grab this. Now, where do we want our red tape? What do you think you guys should be shooting at? So now, if you're hitting, you should just go between this area. There we go, and then just stretch out the other corner. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, so it should lay pretty flat. Okay. And then, get your pickleballs, get your paddles. Yeah, you gotta go under the red, yeah, right there, yeah, there you go.